Welcome to an unparalleled glimpse into the future of automotive manufacturing. Our journey begins where precision is paramount, as demonstrated by the meticulous final checks before a vehicle leaves the assembly line. Here, every detail, every curve, is subjected to rigorous scrutiny. We observe a specialist, clad in a sleek matte black uniform and microfiber gloves, ensuring the flawless finish of a matte emerald green car body. This early attention to detail sets the stage for the advanced processes we're about to explore, as every stage demands perfection. Before a vehicle is deemed production-ready, it undergoes an intensive holographic scanning process. As analysts report, a bright neon blue holographic light grid precisely scans the intricate front grille of an obsidian black prototype. This system reportedly identifies micro-imperfections imperceptible to the human eye. Data streams confirm panel alignment within sub-millimeter tolerances, a standard factory engineers attribute to their advanced quality control protocols. This comprehensive initial review ensures that only components meeting the highest specifications proceed to the next stage of assembly. Moving deeper into the facility, we arrive at the press shop, fundamentally redefined for the next generation of supercars. Traditional steel is largely absent. Instead, the focus shifts to advanced lightweight materials. Automated robotic arms, specifically engineered for delicate handling, precisely maneuver vast sheets of interwoven carbon fiber. Industry sources confirm this material choice significantly reduces vehicle weight, enhancing both performance and energy efficiency. This departure from conventional metal forming highlights a strategic shift in automotive engineering towards lighter, stronger composites. The forming process for these carbon fiber components is a masterclass in controlled force. Unlike the loud, sparks-flying operations of traditional metal stamping, here, a massive press descends with silent, immense pressure onto the layered carbon materials. Instead of sparks, observers note a distinctive cooling mist or steam effect. This effect, according to manufacturing specialists, is crucial. It precisely manages the temperature during the compression process, preventing material degradation and ensuring the structural integrity of the complex shapes, like car hoods and door panels. This subtle display underscores a different kind of precision. The body assembly line reveals another leap in manufacturing technology. We witness dozens of robotic arms, now in sleek industrial white and silver, meticulously joining components. Gone are the traditional, intensely sparking spot welds. Instead, a concentrated, silent violet laser beam precisely cuts and melts sections together. Factory engineers explain this laser welding technique offers superior strength and a cleaner finish, critical for the high-performance demands of a supercar. This method is reportedly faster and more energy efficient, producing seamless structural integrity for the evolving bare carbon frame as it moves down the line. It's a testament to refined automation. Entering the paint shop, the process is noticeably different. Instead of a conventional cleaning bath, the entire carbon fiber body is submerged into a glowing, iridescent protective liquid. This pre-treatment, as explained by chemical engineers, prepares the surface at a molecular level for optimal paint adhesion and durability, offering an additional layer of resilience against environmental factors. The shimmering liquid not only indicates a high-tech process but also hints at the car's eventual dazzling finish. This initial dip is a foundational step in achieving the vehicle's long-lasting aesthetic appeal, setting it apart from standard processes. Following the protective dip, the car bodies enter the highly automated painting booths. Here, robotic sprayers don't apply a single, standard glossy coat. Instead, a sophisticated two-tone color scheme is meticulously applied. We observe the precise application of a satin metallic midnight blue on the main body, seamlessly transitioning to a glossy piano black roof. This dual finish approach, according to design specialists, adds depth and a distinctive luxury aesthetic. The robot's movements are incredibly fluid, ensuring an even coat and perfect demarcation between the two contrasting finishes, a technique that requires intricate programming and precise nozzle control for its execution. Once painted, the car moves to the internal assembly stage. This is where the vehicle's nervous system is integrated. Instead of thick bundles of traditional colorful wires, engineers now install advanced fiber optic cables that subtly glow. These cables, which transmit data at incredible speeds, are reported by internal sources to be significantly lighter and more resilient to electromagnetic interference. This innovative wiring system supports the car's complex digital architecture, from infotainment to advanced driver assistance systems, all while contributing to a lighter overall vehicle. It represents a fundamental shift in vehicle connectivity, prioritizing speed and efficiency. The cockpit, the heart of the driver's experience, is then brought into place. A highly specialized robotic arm gently lifts and precisely positions the entire dashboard unit into the cabin. This isn't a standard black plastic or leather dashboard. Instead, the robot handles a luxury dashboard accented with brushed copper, light walnut wood, or forged carbon fiber. These material choices, confirmed by design leads, are selected not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for their durability and premium feel, reflecting the vehicle's exclusive status. The seamless integration of these high-end materials elevates the interior to an art form. As interior assembly continues, the seats are introduced. But these are not standard tan leather. We observe sumptuous crimson red or deep burgundy Alcantara seats, each featuring intricate diamond stitch patterns. These choices, as per interior designers, are deliberate, aiming to convey both sportiness and opulent comfort. Rather than simple plastic wrapping, a worker is seen carefully peeling off a tinted protective film from a massive, curved triple-screen digital display. This panoramic interface stretches across the entire dashboard, signifying a new era of immersive driver and passenger experience, a stark contrast to traditional separate screens. The exterior rapidly takes shape with the installation of the windshield. A specialized robot precisely applies a dark gray, advanced bonding agent along the glass frame. This agent, according to material science reports, provides exceptional structural rigidity and sound dampening. The robot then uses an array of suction cups to lift a large, single-pane windshield. This isn't just any glass, it features a distinct panoramic tint, a chameleon or light blue hue, that beautifully catches the factory lights as it is perfectly pressed into place. This tint is both aesthetic and functional, reportedly reducing glare and enhancing privacy for occupants. One of the most defining moments in the assembly process is the marriage, the joining of the car body with its powertrain. But in this advanced facility, we witness an electric vehicle (EV) assembly. The meticulously crafted upper car body, with its satin metallic midnight blue finish, is gently lowered from overhead gantries. From below, a massive, illuminated battery pack skateboard chassis rises to meet it. This chassis, complete with dual electric motors glowing with silver and blue accents, represents the vehicle's core. This precise alignment and secure coupling, engineers confirm, is critical for the EV's structural integrity and performance. The final touch before the vehicle becomes road-ready is the wheel assembly. Here, massive gloss-black aerodynamic wheels move down a separate, synchronized track. These aren't just any wheels, their design is optimized for minimal drag and enhanced cooling. Robotic arms carefully lift each wheel, align it with the axle, and then rapidly bolt it on using an updated multispoke wheel gun. This gun features digital status rings that spin around the lug nuts, indicating precise torque application. Behind the spokes, a distinct colored brake caliper, electric yellow or neon orange, is prominently visible, adding a dynamic visual accent to the powerful braking system. With the wheels secured, the car receives its vital fluids and its digital brain. Automated nozzles precisely fill the EV battery pack with a bright blue or green coolant, visibly pumping through clear tubes. This specialized coolant, as thermal management engineers detail, is essential for maintaining the optimal operating temperature of the high-performance battery, ensuring longevity and consistent power delivery. Simultaneously, a worker plugs a heavy-duty data cable into the charging port, initiating the upload of the car's advanced operating system. A digital loading bar transitions into a sleek, custom boot-up animation on the car's main screens. The finished satin metallic midnight blue supercar now enters its final inspection phase. It glides into a dark, highly stylized light tunnel, where pure white LED strips reflect brilliantly off its flawless paint. This environment is not just for show, it's designed to reveal any minute imperfections. A technician employs a handheld digital scanner that projects a dynamic green vector wireframe over the car. This sophisticated system, according to quality assurance reports, verifies all gap tolerances, panel alignments, and surface finishes with extreme precision, ensuring every aspect meets the factory's stringent, often revolutionary, standards. Finally, the moment of release. With all inspections passed and systems verified, a driver, clad in a sleek racing suit, enters the cabin. The panoramic triple-screen display illuminates, signaling readiness. With a silent hum, characteristic of electric powertrains, the supercar smoothly drives out of the factory. It emerges from the technological marvels of its birthplace into the golden hues of a sunset. This departure isn't just the end of a manufacturing process, it's the beginning of a new era, embodying the blend of cutting-edge robotics, advanced materials, and unparalleled luxury that defines the supercars of tomorrow. It is a testament to what is possible.